Hello everybody! Today we're back in another Unity tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to turn this into a level select menu. Now I have a little story to tell you. So I got handed down a Mac Pro from 2013. And I was setting it up, and I was deleting my old computer and then selling it. And then after I was done selling it, I realized that I didn't transport my files on over, and it was already gone. Yeah, that's where we are now. And I had to delete episode 3 because I didn't have it yet. So, first things first, we're going to create a new script called level selection. Using the new script, create and add. We're going to go into our assets and drag it into our scripts. We're going to open it up. Don't know why it opened up on my other monitor. Just like opened up on my other. No. There we go. Alright, so we're now going to be using Unity engine.ui. And we won't need our update. Alright, and we're going to delete this little comment. We don't need comments. And down in here, we write public button level buttons. You can write whatever you want for that part, but I'm just writing that. Too lazy. Right, void start. You're going to write int level at equals layer refs dot get int level at comma 2. This is going to change this int value to whatever level settings section build index your build settings. Yeah. So to see what it is, we are going to go into our build settings, and level 1 is on number 2, just like I remember. We're now going to open it up and continue writing code. For int I equals 0, I is less than level button. No, not level buttons. Dot length and I plus plus. In that, we're simply going to write an if statement. If I plus 2 is greater than level at, and simply level buttons I dot interactable equals false. And boom. Should work if I copied it, if I wrote everything word for word. And since that is on there, we can open up our level buttons. We have a size of 10 level buttons. We just go to our level holder. Oh, we've got to add. Nope, you should not be on level 2. You should be on level holder. So we're going to lock this and add our levels. Time lapse. And we're back. Just now realizing that level 6 was named incorrectly. So I will fix that. Alright, now, if we head in here, it should... Yep, can't click on any of them, as you can see. You can only click on number 1. Yes. Alright. So, it would be... A game would be kind of boring if we entered into a new... If we opened up the game. If we opened up the game and only level 1 was able to work. Also, this will be saved. This is an autosaver. So we're just going to create a capsule. We're going to add rigid body. Let's UI plane right there. And the capsule can be 10 meters high. And we can add in a cube. It's going to be at 0 position. Why am I closing all these by accident? Reset. Did not mean to do that. Reset position. We're going to add that onto it, and we're also going to add a script. It's going to be called move to next level. Create and add, and we can open up assets. Game will load. Unity will load. Drag this down into scripts, and we can open it, and we're going to be using Unity Engine dot manage, and delete this and this. Oh, and this. And now we can write a public int next scene load and void start. Next scene load equals scene manager dot get active scene dot build index plus 1. Really simple. Public void. Spelled void correctly yet. On trigger enter collider other. We're going to search if other dot game object dot tag equals player, and if scene manager dot get active scene dot index equals. Alright, for this we're going to need to go into Unity, build settings, and we're going to need to see which scene level 10 ends off at. It's going to be level 11. Got it. So, we're going to head back into Visual Studio Code, or whatever programming device you use, and we're going to write 11. Then, we'll simply write debug dot log you completed. If you guys want to, you can show a windscreen or something, but I'm too lazy, so. But maybe we will do that in a future episode. This video gets enough likes. So we're gonna write else scene manager dot load scene next scene load. Boom. If next scene load is greater than player prefs dot get int, of course, level at, then what's simply going to happen is player prefs dot set int level at comma next scene no, not scene, it's scene. So I've got to fix that. Make sure there are ends. Oh, no. And now we can click save. Head back into Unity. Oh, whoops. Forgot something. No, don't quit that. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Back into Unity while it's saving. And no more errors. And now in the cube, we should have our next scene load. We will then open up our build settings and see that level 2 is at number 3. So we click number 3. And then this should work. Alright, so what I found out is that if we open up Capsule and click on the player and make sure it's not a trigger, open up our cube. I have no clue why that just decided to bug out on me. Move to next level. Click 3. Click the play button. And we should move to the next level like that. Boom.